have
I
you?
did.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Probably not now. Just look up his name. Look up Angie. It should pop up.
I don't think I do.
Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Studios. So I thought I'd give you a little update on the pit bike, and here's where we're at. I'll start with the back. Cleaned up the back rim, primered it, painted it. I have a new shock coming. I just have a piece of wood cut in there right now. I need a clip for this brake line right here. I have the back brake on, and I need to put a spring for the return. I'm waiting on a chain. Here's the shifter. I'm waiting on a gas cap. I'm waiting on a tailpipe. I'm waiting on a front caliper and a hand grip. I'm also waiting on a new throttle cable, a whole new hand assembly. I have a new carburetor already. So, according to eBay, everything has been shipped with exception to the rear chain guard. The front chain guard has been shipped. I have to do some touch-up paint here. I had to clean this up to get the motor in. That's a new motor. That's the old skid pan. I cleaned it up, primered it, painted it. I have a new number plate coming, carbon fiber. The front rim is holding air. Front tire, I should say, is holding air. The front rim I straightened out. It had a dent in it. And it's actually in the clamp right here, in the vise holding the bike up on the workbench. And there's a couple sponges. So, waiting on a bunch of things to show up, and some things, tomorrow's Friday, some things should come in the mail tomorrow. And if there is, we'll do an update, because I'll be here tomorrow night. And maybe we'll, I think the shock was the first thing I ordered, so that should get here first. And oh, I ordered a new coil and CDI and wire harness. So that's all supposed to come. So that's it for right now, folks. Take care. Alright, so here's a little update on the mini bike. We got a new chain guard. We got a new chain. I'm waiting on the shock. I had to tap this bolt out and put a new bolt for this little thing to hold the back brake line. The carburetor is on. I had to use this tube from the Mikuni, and I might end up putting the old Mikuni back on. I just need to get a rebuild kit. My line came. I got a new this is all hooked up. My front brake is on. I need to fill this chamber and bleed it. And I'm waiting on my pegs so I could finish putting this on. I'm waiting on my exhaust pipe. And I'm waiting on about 6 things. So I got a little touch-up paint to do. I accidentally scratched this. My new motor mounts I had my uncle weld on. And this came, a little chain protector. I didn't cut the chain yet. I might get new sprockets, bigger sprockets. But yeah, it's getting there. I'm waiting on a number plate. That should be here. And little bugger's coming right along.